Dreamegg D11 Max, Ultimate Portable White Noise Machine. Discover the Dreamegg D11 Max, the ultimate solution for improved sleep anytime, anywhere. With its compact design and powerful features, this portable white noise machine is a game-changer for both babies and adults, offering 21 soothing sounds to create a peaceful sleep environment. Equipped with a long-lasting 1,800 mAh battery, the D11 Max ensures worry-free use on the go. Compared to others, its battery life is unbeatable, providing up to 30 hours of continuous use on a single charge. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and enjoy uninterrupted sleep, whether at home or while traveling. Help your little one settle in and stay asleep with the D11 Max's variety of soothing sounds, including natural sounds, fan sounds, white noise, and baby sounds. Its looping feature ensures longer playtime, catering to infants and babies up to 12 months old, helping them stick to a healthy sleep schedule. Designed for maximum portability, the D11 Max is lightweight and comes with a lanyard for easy hanging on strollers, car seats, or suitcases. Its child lock feature ensures safety by preventing accidental adjustments, while the timer function allows you to set automatic shut-off for added convenience. Experience the Dreamegg difference with the D11 Max, backed by 365 days warranty and friendly customer support. Whether you're struggling with sleep regression in babies or seeking relaxation after a long day, the D11 Max is the perfect companion for a restful night's sleep.